let's make Basque Burnt Cheesecake, but I'm gonna make it special. We're gonna have like a brownie bottom on the cheesecake, under the cheesecake, and you're gonna love this. This is super viral cake in Thailand, even now in Singapore and also in Malaysia and all over Asia. Everybody's talking about it. Indonesia, they were all crazy about this Basque Burnt Cheesecake with brownies, yeah, Brownies Bottom. Actually, I'm going to include this one as for free in my master class. But anyway, since I'm making them, I would be very glad to share with you. Okay, so you need some what do you call this? Dark chocolate. Okay, I'm using a double boiler like this. Yeah, there's a hot water underneath. Okay, and you also need some butter, unsalted butter. Okay. We need to melt this until all nicely, yeah, nicely melted and combined with the butter. Alright, look at that. The chocolate is melting now. I really recommend you to use dark chocolate, guys. Okay, not the semi-sweet or the bittersweet. Use the dark chocolate. It's really complement the taste of the cheesecake. Alright. Okay. Okay. So now, once this is all melted and combined, put it aside, okay? Put it aside, let it cool a bit, alright? Before we add to our mixture, yeah? Okay, now it's all melted. I'm going to close the fire and put this aside. Next step, in another bowl, in another clean bowl, get the 1 whole egg, okay? And you add the sugar, the icing sugar. Okay. Okay, beat them together slowly, yeah guys, slow first and then only you go to the highest speed. Okay, look at that. Beat it until it's pale and it's fun. Okay, don't forget, when you use anything with egg, don't forget to add the vanilla essence, alright? Add now the vanilla essence, about 1 teaspoon. Don't forget, guys, because if you use anything with egg, you don't want the taste of the egg, yeah, in your cake. So add. Okay, now you get the flour. Don't forget to sieve the flour, okay? Get the flour. And also the cocoa powder. Don't also forget to sieve the cocoa powder. And also the salt. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of salt. And combine them. Combine them. Okay, as soon as it's combined, don't forget, guys, to add remember the melted chocolate that we double boiled earlier. Add the melted chocolate. Okay. Add more. nice, the dark chocolate. Combine it until all nicely combined. Transfer the brownie mixture in your pan. Level them, yeah? I'm using an 8-inch pan. This is an 8-inch round baking pan. Great. Okay, make sure that you level these brownies so that it will be level and nicely, yeah, when it bake. Okay. Don't forget to put the baking paper. Just a baking paper. You don't need to grease anymore, huh? Because I have some is asking me, Chef, do I still need to grease the paper? Oh dear, no. That's the purpose you put the paper, so you don't have to put the butter or the margarine on your baking pan, right? And what is the purpose of putting that? So that you can easily take out the mixture, the cake, the baked cake when it's done. Okay. Alright, level them. Okay, then after you level them, put them aside. We're gonna do the cheesecake, the top part. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to bake the cheesecake. We need the cream cheese. This is about 1 bar, that's about 200 grams. And we need also 3 whole eggs. If you're using a large egg, you can use only 2. We also need some castor sugar. We also need very important ingredients, the whipping cream, okay? The whipping cream. And the other one is the corn flour, okay? Alright, so first you need to add the cheese and also the sugar together. And next is the corn flour, okay? Okay, then using a slow speed first, okay? Okay, with the slow speed, combine them. Okay. Then only you can go higher. Okay, beat this until it's pale in color, and pale in color. Don't forget to add the vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Okay, then continue with this. So expand, and the pale in color is already combined. The cream cheese, the sugar, and also the corn flour. You can add whipping cream, okay? The whipped cream. Add the whipped cream here. Okay, and then continue bake, okay? until the whipped cream also will expand, right? Continue, yeah, to beat this. And the last part is to add the egg. Okay, here is the most important when you are adding eggs. You can't overbeat this egg when you mix into the cheesecake mixture, because you know, remember when you have the problem with the cheesecake crack and all that, cheesecake usually we add last in the when we are doing cheesecake, yeah, sorry, egg usually we add last when we are doing cheesecake. So you don't want to add them too early, and you don't want to beat them too much. You got it? Okay, that's the tip I'm giving you for free. Okay, so that you remember when you're doing cheesecake, you don't want to have a break, you know, when you bake a baking and it's breaking, you avoid over mix, yeah, when you're adding the egg. All right, I'm going to add the eggs. Okay, I just want to combine this gently, okay. I don't want to overbeat this because I just want to combine the egg, yeah? And that's it. Now this is done. I'm going to transfer and to put them. The mixture, the cheesecake mixture is ready. I'm going to put on top of the brownies mixture that we prepared earlier. Okay. And everything, guys, don't leave anything behind. Sayang. Sayang in my language is love, but in Tagalog it's like don't waste, right? My husband called me sayang, means love. My love. Okay, all right, now it's ready to bake. You can bake this at 170 degrees for about 45 minutes. All right, another tip is that when the cake is baked, right, when it's baking later, you will see that it will rise. It will rise. Don't get panic, okay, when it rises, because when it cool, when the cake cool down, then you will see that what they call it will deflate, and you will see that like a volcano, what do you call that, in the middle of the cake. Yeah. Hello guys, look at this. I want to show you my Basque Burnt Cheesecake. Look how beautiful is that. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Hello guys, look at this. This Basque Burnt Cheesecake is done, it's baked. Oh, look at that. You should be like this, yeah? That's what I'm saying, just like a volcano. Yeah, it should be like this. It should, this is the perfect one, yeah? If you bake a Basque Burnt Cheesecake, if you didn't achieve this, means you don't do it right, okay? So I'm going to open this and see. Okay. Don't be surprised because I don't do just a plain Basque Burnt Cheesecake. I do a Brownies Bottom Basque Burnt Cheesecake. Okay. Alright, look at that. You can just, you know, when you want to sell, you can just put some, well, maybe fresh fruits, and then you can just put this like this in the box. It would be beautiful, yeah? Alright, let's take a look at that. Wow. Look at that, guys. So nice. So nice. OMG. It's so perfect. I'm sorry to say the word, but it's just super perfect, guys. Look at that, okay? Look at how it looks like, okay? I'm going to slice it and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Alright, inside. Okay. OMG! Can you see this cheesecake? Super, super good. Oh man. Your husband will be very happy to eat Basque Burnt cheesecake homemade. Hang on, I want to have a nice cut. Oh man, hang on. I want to have a nice clean cut. Okay. Hang on, because we have a crust. Usually the original one doesn't have any brownies at the bottom, but in Thailand they make this with brownies and it becomes a hit. Oh my god, can you see that?